Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to check Wi-Fi and mobile data usage on Xiaomi 14T and 14T Pro. To do this we need to open settings, then in the settings we want to go to more connectivity options, and then we need to scroll down to find data usage and then go over here. At first we will find the list of the data usage, of course, and this is for mobile data. At the top we can see that it is only for today, and we can see how much it was actually used. We have also the list of individual apps and how much data have been used by those apps. We can also tap on this option over here on this text in order to switch it to yesterday so that we can see how much data was used yesterday. We can also switch to last month and this month. And in addition to that, we can also tap on this arrow over here, or actually these two arrows in the top right corner, in order to switch to Wi-Fi usage instead. And now we can see how much Wi-Fi has been used today, and of course we can also switch like before to yesterday, last month and this month. And we can see the list of individual apps and how much data has been used by those apps. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!